Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today I'm bringing you some more cool projects that I think have huge potential in the future. The first project I'm going to be talking to you guys about is Sidus. This project is an MMORPG based game that has play to earn mechanics. A cool thing about this game is that you don't need to download anything to play the game. It's all browser based. In this game, there will be 12 races based off ordered different blockchains. This game is going to be a player versus player co-op online. The Sidus game will take place in space. Sidus is also coming out with their own marketplace called Intergalactic Bazaar. Certain NFTs throughout the game are tradable through Sidus and Senate tokens. The Senate token will be the governance token throughout this project, where the players will have governance based on the tokens they hold. You could sell these NFTs on any marketplace or for any currency. The Genesis collection will have benefits such as receiving royalties by holding or staking. They will be dropping 6,000 NFTs in total. 4,500 of them are common, 1,000 rare, and 500 super rare. Sidus will also be coming out with the second collection as well. This game doesn't need any plugins or downloads. You could play the game right on your browser thanks to WebGL. In this game, working with other people is very important to complete the tasks. The PvP arena will be the main mode in the game. It's a 3v3 game mode where players will have the chance to earn the highest rewards. Heroes and other NFTs in this game are all upgradable. Everything in this game is ownable except for the central station. So this is me playing the demo. And as you can see here, the graphics are very astonishing. And also the game feels very good in my opinion. The next NFT gaming project I'm going to be bringing you is Project Quantum. Project Quantum is an intense MMO FPS game that focuses on acquiring loot. You can fight other players, fight very powerful monsters, mine for resources, and search for ancient technology. This game is very high risk but high reward, because if you kill someone in the game, you get all their loot. But the same thing can happen to you and you lose all your loot as well. The ultimate price in this game is a single case of hidden treasures with legendary equipment, technology, and resources. Only the best seeker can claim this reward and leave with it in one piece. A really cool thing about this game, Sidus, is that it lets you customize everything and anything. For example, your exosuit that you will have in the game will customize your seeker to match your playstyle. The technology, resources, and qubit you will earn from the game will unlock powerful and unique artifacts. Any talented seeker who finds themselves with more equipment than they actually need can sell their extra loot in the free market for qubits. Seekers recovering from hard losses or shopping for their next favorite gun or armor can buy directly from players that set their own prices. They use qubit token to keep their game free to play while allowing them to develop their game. And when the game launches, they will continue to support and update their live service titles. In order to combine AAA gaming and cryptocurrency, they launched this token on the Binance Smart Chain. This token takes on the BEP20 format, which means there will be lightning fast transactions with much lower gas fees. This game will tax 10% on every buy, sell, or move transaction. Qubit is what will power the whole economy and ecosystem within the platform. This game gives players the freedom to not just buy in, but to cash out whenever they wish to. When this game launches, the players will use their qubit to buy, sell, and trade with others directly through the marketplace, which will be available in-game via web browser and also in their custom-built companion app. Before launch, qubit can be used to purchase unique collectibles through their bespoke NFT marketplace. No other marketplace offers unique access to NFTs created by your favorite concept artists and designers in the gaming space. So guys, I have such high hopes for this game, and I really think this game has the potential to change the whole NFT gaming space. The next project I will be bringing you is Collider CraftWorks. This game is a play-to-earn third-person shooter. They are developing a visual wallet that will bring your virtual identity to life while keeping your digital goods protected on-chain. This game will be built on the Unreal Engine with the metahuman skeleton, your avatar, and digital goods that will be ready for the next generation of games and experiences. The developers of this project are a super professional team with 84 of the most talented and technically gifted individuals. And this game is going to have a mosh pit where you and your friends can fight other people for cryptocurrency. Another project that I have super high hopes for. And these graphics are unbelievable. The last but not least project I will be bringing you guys today is called the Fabled NFT. This game is a play-to-earn action RPG game. You will be able to battle across their world, trade and collect weapons. Also, you will be able to craft ingredients and items to use in battle. The initial mint will be 20,000 NFT in-game characters. You will be able to fuse Genesis NFTs to create new NFT characters with lesser benefits and attributes. Another really cool passive income opportunity this game brings you is that you could rent your NFT out to other people. When you mint, you could choose if you want a female or male NFT character. They will also introduce Homestead NFT land plots, where you could own a house and have a base of operations. They will also introduce different writable NFTs in the game. The players who have an NFT character, will be able to access the world of Fabled. Their team is also doxed. I also believe in this project. I think it's super cool and has tons of potential. Guys, I'll also leave each project in my description so you guys can look into them for yourselves. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.